This is the only one step procedure do you need to follow. Okay, first you have to click on insert, then click on zoom. You have the three options. Okay, I will choose the summary zoom. Okay, let's select all these slides and click on insert. When you click on the insert, and you will see that these all slides come here. Okay, then I will click to the present. Then after I will click on this, then it will appear. Then I will click on again, also this. You can see that it's very good feature of the PowerPoint. Okay, and you can create it using the only the zoom tool. Okay, the second thing you can see is section zoom. Then you have to select all the section. These are the 8 sections. Okay, 10 sections, sorry. Okay, this is giving a bubble. Then you can select this all thing, like you can put this into the slides. Okay, I am putting it here. Okay, then you can click on any of the slides and it will open. Okay, the next feature is very similar to this. You can try it. Okay, if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and give a valuable comment. I will be thankful to you. Thanks a lot.